Yeah, man, bless up everybody, bless up my family members, bless up this area. Yeah, man, the new people who are checking. Thank you so much for checking in. Thank you so much for supporting Public Report and the Richard Brown family team. Here we go now. This movie, our number three or number two, number three, not true. Number three out of the year. So guess what? It's another blessing from the Richard Brown family. You know what I mean? And as you can see, we are introduced Berry and all these things, and Ashley and Candy as usual. You know what I mean? Yeah, Alton did it, Mad Alton and things. So you don't know Bushcast. Thank you for support the thing. Share, like, subscribe. I chat too much. Don't you? Watch the video. All right? See it. Watch it.
Richard Brown Film, Paradise Nation, Public Report. My dreams quench my hunger, even though struggles make it longer. Never giving up when the pressures get harder. I am my motivation. From all these haters I see, the things they say, the things they try to do to me, they only make me stronger. Thank you, Jah, you always with me. When I'm fired from my tribe, when the doctor says something's wrong, you always with me. You protect me from my enemy. Jaja not gonna make me suffer. No, Jaja with me.
Oh, my dog. I came over there, boy. Don't boy, man. I want to. Me here for your bird girl down here. And I want to know what make you not give me no money for your picnic.
Hold on, Ashley, hold on. Me and you left. Me
yes,
left, you know.
me and you left.
Me and you left. And me, every week, me ensure say, as me hustle and get one little roast, me ensure say you get money for your picnic. So, how that concern if you breed somebody else? What happened?
You know, say I want dirty liar, you boy, Matok. You don't give me dollar. Liar, tell her that's why you bring girl up here.
You know what? Hold on. You know what? Me have to ensure say, me start at least make a sign when me give you money, because it come like you have amnesia. You know, remember say me give you money every week, eh? I remember say no company me I work for, me have to depend on when people carrying work come give me to make a money for give you. So how you come tell me say me not give you no money? You're an ungrateful woman, and I saw uno woman turn when man go no nothing, uno so net have
You better you lock chat round the same boy, Matok. As long as I live. As long as I live, me no want to see her no girl. I used to girl too. She have to go dash way belly. That me I tell you.
Come like you idiot.
Me a idiot. Go on, cause you're not. I got me licking you.
Lick me.
Don't you forget.
You broke me
You broke your foot to boy. You boy, Matok.
Fuck me on.
Next time I come back, put me a broke boy. A ball, you know, ball yet.
Fuck me on, boy. Me on.
My dreams quench my hunger, even though struggles make it longer. Never giving up when the pressures get harder.
Done.
I am my motivation.
Can't bother the bike, I laugh for me. That's it, though.
I want to hear your bike. Where am there?
I laugh for me.
What do you mean?
What you mean, say what do me? You see bike run out of gas. What you mean warm to it? You see me I push the bike up here. I laugh, you laugh for me. Fun in the show. Eh?
So I'm for the border.
What you mean say if you do both that?
So you go and suffer me.
Some you go and suffer, eh? You see you go and suffer, eh? Where you going? You see girl like you?
Watch me here.
Let me say watch out. Eh?
Me I tell my bad girlfriend for bust up here.
Bust up my head. I bet you can't come back here, sir. You know what you're doing? Now they're hungry now. No gas, no bike. I don't have gas, no stove.
can't talk to them.
Girl, sit down.
What now? What now?
The girl in the summer face swell.
I was fell up here.
Now the dirty boy.
When do you?
Girl, I'm fed up with the boy. Every minute the boy want me wash, cook, clean. And two men cook no food. Last night the boy come thump me in my mouth.
See, I couldn't dash look at help on the boy, man. Ash than me. When him asleep, girl. We just hot the oil, well hot. Put on the pot on the fire and make it pot hot and throw oil in there.
So you not throw oil now your baby father years when him there beat you.
Lord Jesus Christ, my baby father.
Girl, me nah do
The
nobody
broken hand, me not see your hand broke.
nobody boy pitney them
Oh.
something there.
Girl.
Girl.
That their hand they set so for your hand set. I broke it. I take this iron and lick him on it.
Alright, you know.
Now play with him.
Girl, my heart not so cool. I can't do them something.
Lick me and get away with
I
it.
left me, I go left him. I don't want no more man.
Nah, lick me and get no boy nah lick me and get away with him, woman. Me say no boy nah lick me and get away with him. Me a broke him and a rim foot a dash a tile pan him.
So you know come help me beat him then, because the way you talk bad, I cannot manage the boy. I'm tired to tell you that I leave me, I go leave him. You understand me?
Well, try see if you can get out of it fast and make sure so when you move, you call me. Call me, cause me ready. So anyway, my boyfriend want to come run taxi. So, I want to use your car to run taxi.
Well, anyway, can't lend him the car, you know, but as long as he might bring in the money where I want.
Of course, I'm a good man, we bring in the money, man. You know, I not to play with me already, neither.
Oh, so how much do you want it for?
I want it for a good time, period of time to run taxi on the road, you know.
Alright. Me link him.
Yeah, man.
I'm not too like the people my car still, no.
Yeah, man, come link me down a yard, man.
Alright.
Yeah, link me down a yard. Because I don't know what to do this man, because every time I have to look out for him. Every time I have to look out for him, I have to look work for him. See, you know, me and a good friend, and me come and I say to you know, say, Mom, you feel lend me your car if you run taxi. See there? And see there, that's a good thing. So
you see, after I lose to look out for man to watch you. Yeah, alright, you know, later, me can get the car.
Yeah, man, I'm tell you already say, through a tile now, boy. Yes. And no boy now lick me. If foot off he broke and hand off he broke and me no play with boy one time boy you can't lick me. Me with me for me head.
Alright, Ashley, later man.
Alright, Berry. Cause you know me stay already now. Me mash up boy now. Remember what me say now? I'm not play with boy. I'm telling you, if you not play with no boy already. That's a tile in her ears. Cause I say foot off he broke, hand off he broke.
Some man you are
Yeah, time I can't check your mama.
Man one car. See me car? You know how much sweat and bruises you have to go through for my car. Come like, I don't know where me can get them mad friend from, you know. Why me say me can't get some mad friends? My car. Sit down and wait. I have to find an excuse for car when she come back home car.
Rastafari, you know. So I think I'm more and they say I had a struggle in our life, but I forgot you. As black man. Behavior aggression. I'm the boss, is them who want to fire people. Yeah. I get focus, you know. Yeah, I did it. So, how is everything today?
Everything was alright, you know.
Cause right now, I want to say I lose and I look hustling enough today.
Eh? So you lose the work again, babe?
Tell me, I tell you, say. Boss, I flip, is it?
So what we are going to do?
What we are going to do? I hear my mama. You have to remember, say, I'm an artist, so I got a studio, go do some dub plate for some sound. And I get piece of money until I get a work. You see me, a 9 to 5, because you don't know, you know. I have a look at music thing I go on and want people to know that. You see me, I don't just work on site and paint people's house and do all them things. I'm an artist too, and more I'm an artist if you go out there. So we're going to survive, man. Nobody worry about nothing, man. Tell your mama, man.
You know, see up at Berry me I come from.
Mm-hmm.
And I go up there and that talk to her and ask her if we could bar a car so we could run some taxi on the road in case. Because me never know if you don't lose a job, so me just go ask her in case. So now me know you lose a job, so what you say about that? You don't run taxi on the road or what?
Yeah, man, me can, yo, what you say? Shall lend you a car for run taxi?
Me and her a good friend like that, me and her a friend like so. You know, height friend. So, me ask her and she said she'll lend me. So, run taxi and she said, oh, when money come in, me make she get her money see me on the side. Me and her good like that, cause no
well,
come no hard.
yeah, man, I can run taxi, man, because I guess what, already I come so boom and renew all my PPV too, you know, so everything work out for a good purpose still, but yeah, man, taxi business a good business. I hope I don't know the whole pop down car where, you understand me, I carry people.
Car, a new car, Chris car, we make some money on the road. You understand? And but you hustling with you, and you lose a job now, so you can make me and you go up there and you get the car and go run some taxi.
And a markets?
No.
Oh.
And then nice little normal car there.
Oh.
One of the normal car there, no markets.
I know get no markets and I run on the road, you know, so some people feel like, man, rich and want to come try rob man, you know, and I have to bust beer sitting on the road, make beer people run away, you see it? So, everything good, man, me go and work with it, man. You see me?
Oh, yourself, babes, everything all good. So, I want to your bicycle. Bicycle looks so.
Bicycle, sell more and sell it, but you puncher.
So, you have to sell puncher bicycles and you puncher.
I know I left it there, so I don't even all vex, I don't even go it, I don't even carry it in right now. Come on. Yo, here I go. I'm so far, man. I touch your road, you see it? I check my sister up here, road, you see it? Say, yeah, look after your little flowers, man, sitting them pretty though.
Yes, man, me have to take care of them and I see them beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's where I go.
I want to, you know. You want to talk to me?
Yeah, man, I'll come up.
All right, come up I get. Now come outside, contact here.
Yeah, man.
Oh. How am you alright?
Boy, I'm there, I'm going easy because I come here one reason in the evening, you know?
Time kind of chilly, you know?
I'm really glad to say you have your place, you see me? Nice place and them things that you don't know, say, Mummy never really have the money for really send the two away. Go to high school and college, but glad to say you do your thing and survive and yeah, survive. I'm glad to say you help me to, you see?
Yeah, man, I grace of God, you know. You know, say, me and brother and sister, we mother never have it then time there. For help all the way.
Sure,
But
man.
a blessing, so you see, she did only coulda go around, wash people dirty clothes, and a whole heap of things we mother go through, you know. Johnny, whole heap of things she go through. So right, you know, me have to give back some of the blessings. Thank God me build my own house.
True, man.
And we continue help to pay your rent over there, so don't worry yourself.
Yeah.
All you have to do is find yourself a job.
Yeah.
You understand? Because the sit down thing, now go help you.
Already, I get a little job and I go and do something, you know. And you know, say today, come like say, I lost all the little work, boss. I'm over way and style me up and thing. I'm not even doing nothing on me. I said, Judge, what you know? Boss, I said, well, I'm forgot my yard and railway and take it. So I just left and just read for me and just eat.
So I never know say you did a work.
Yeah, man, I do a little thing, a little side work and thing, you see it? Carry to block and mix cement and you don't know
That
this
better
style.
nothing at all.
And cut up steel and move things. I don't know them kind of work there, but yeah, I don't know, but I dog go and do.
So when I rent due?
The rent due the 15th of the month, yeah.
You're not working, you know. You see you lose the work where you get, right?
Yeah.
I not encourage you to sit down as no lazy youth. I need you to get a job, but I will still help you. But in case you don't have few part of money, because I always help your parent.
Yeah.
Know yourself. If the landlord come to you and like you want to put you your notice and then thing there, I can make you stay in one room until you find somewhere to come. Remember, say you're not baby, you're a big man, but I will support you because you're my brother. I don't want you to go thief, turn no gunman and kill people and block people place. Because you see when police lock you up, I not go come there. So no give them my number. I worst thing you that ever do.
See.
As my brother for me shame.
Me not do that,
put
sister,
yourself in a
me
problem.
not do that.
Then me if you come bail you, me not go do it. Me will help you now. But not because, as me tell you before, not because me say me I help you. That means you have to sit down and sound like a lazy boy. Remember say you're a big man. I don't know if you have a woman, that's not my business. But in case you have one woman, the woman go want money, she go want your support her and something, so you have to look a job. And remember, say when you live in a people rent house, don't plan to stay there forever, so don't get too comfortable. I mean, say you have to try and comfortable in a way you live in.
Yeah.
But not get too comfortable, because you say when you get comfortable in a people place, you're not think say you have to build your own thing. Because you're well comfortable and thinks everything all right.
Yeah.
But always think twice, my brother. Listen to me. Always think twice in a real life.
See.
Don't think one way. People, place you live in, you're a parent, I know you have it hard, but I will still help you, I will support you in every little thing, but don't put yourself in no problem.
No, I do that.
As I said, do not get too comfortable in there. Try, walk around and look at job where you can buy 511 steel and 11 black and 11 cement. Yeah. When you have your own thing, nobody can chat to you.
True.
You understand me? Okay.
Remember, I see him look a black girl there. And way back when, I don't know if you remember, but me and her that part. You want to say, boy, she can link me this morning and tell me about taxi and I say she have a friend where can borrow a car. And you know me, I say, what? I tell her, mind that we out, but I tell her, I say, yeah, man.
Hold on there. My brother, you look like you're stressed. You understand? But don't make your world trouble your mind. You understand me?
Yeah.
Anything with that bother you, pray about it. I realize say you talk to me and you're not paying attention to me. You look over this like you think about 1 million things. Just when you talk to somebody, you need to look upon them, eye contact.
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
True.
So stop thinking about the world, man.
And the work I lose today, because you know some left on my tool them all along there. I plan say, yo, to our ignorance, you take me on my cut today. I say, yo, you know some I want to go back for my tool them all. No, I want to go back for them.
I'll tell you something. I'm not cut you, but you know say Sophia sister stay for a long time. Although I know say you work. I know nothing because you have to work, you're a man. You did a work. The boss piss you off. You get vexed. Full of ignorance and walk off. I not say if you stay and make people take liberty of you, you know.
Yeah.
But next time when you're in a one job, it no matter what happen, kiss ass first before you kick it. Make sure say you find another job first before you walk out of the one day. That me mean.
I taxi me I got do man, but guess what?
No,
I not
listen,
run no
when
red
if
plate, you know.
Brother, listen me now. You hear me, Johnny?
Yeah.
When me just tell you say, next time when you're in a job and something happen wrong, no cure vex you be. No cure ignorance come over you.
See it.
No cure them pissed you off and you can't take it no more. I know say the whole of we have little ignorance in a way when you're ready, but you have to understand me. Life is very hard now, you have to try for your own. Not because you have somebody we can help you. Because you know say me will support you all the way as long as I can.
See it.
But next time you're in a one job, because see there now, you come and tell me about taxi. Passenger come in there, talk to you anyhow. You feel say they enough to talk to you. So where you do? Carry back your vehicle, go give the man so you can't take this because people are disrespect you.
I'm bust none of them head.
So listen, you see same thing, stop talking about busted. You will put yourself in jail. Me don't like that. And me warn you already.
Change still.
About this problem.
Alright, more.
Me need you to stop the way you used to do. Stop talking about this busted and this killing thing. It don't make it. Cut out the violence. It not worth it. You understand what I say?
Man, change, sister, man.
You need to change.
Everything are good,
Because
man.
I
Right
make
now,
you
my
feel
mind
like
clear now since we talk to your sister. But guess what? No, I run no red plate, because red plate thing is dangerous. But guess what, go on? I want to run look a charter taxi now and then and try make things go on. I
See
make
there?
you know what I go on.
Me have to go to correct you all the while. You is not a child. What you say? You not run a red plate.
No, man.
A red plate, the people them fi take, that is the law. You want to run robot with white plate taxi. Eh? And say a taxi that. White plate, you put yourself in a problem. You don't see police, them a give people ticket to carry passenger in a white plate. Suppose they go down the road and something happen, God forbid, I hope it not happen. Suppose they go meet in an accident with people. I want life, everybody have life, not sell a shop. You're insure?
Sister, red
And that the
plate,
vehicle,
dear.
they maybe not insure. Me no want hear nothing. You need to listen sometime, although you're big. You're never too old or too young to learn. You must listen. Me
Alright,
older than you,
anything
me your
you say,
biggest
red
sister.
plate, straight.
Red plate, you have to run.
Alright.
Because you will put yourself in a
You
problem
ever
with
help
white
me though
plate.
with it?
I will help you.
Alright, yeah, man.
Me will help you with anything at all. You understand? Where you're in need of to go do your little business
everything
just to
good.
make you survive. But now tell me, say you don't want to run no red plate. No make no police say you chat there and sit there, you know. Because straight ticket and you're going to live in a jail. Unless you want to turn jail, but like how you used to do up a country before you come down here.
No.
See, you can't hardly pay your rent over there, so me have to help you. I don't chat make nobody here. They lock up.
life
But
a
listen
go
what me
change,
say, my brother.
sis.
I have to tell you straight as it is. Because I realize that when you're young, you're not use on your head.
Life
Look
a
what the
change.
devil can tell you if you tell me if I just the warn you. You don't want to run no red plate. Wish you know from your heart say a red plate is taxi thing. You want to
Sure,
go in a
red
white plate.
plate,
So you want to
red-
kill off people with car when no insure
A good
and when no
driver.
license to put yourself. I'm sorry for you.
But a red
And
plate
let me
still.
tell you something. You see, anyhow you don't listen to me, I'm going to drive white plate and carry people in it. People who left their family and their yard to go back home to. And then work them are going on. And you, all because of the loss of money, you go run white plate taxi. Let me tell you something. You see in a real life, I not say I'm perfect, you know, but in a real life, yes, when you know the right thing, do the
Sure,
right thing.
see.
Run red plate taxi. That is the
Alright.
right way. You're in a less problem and always wear your seatbelt. You know how much for seatbelt? One people law come out the other day.
Show me here.
$2,000 for seatbelt and make sure say when you dey drive, don't use the phone while driving because that is 10 grand. You know hear about it?
Me hear about it, man.
And hold it more, you need to watch the news. You understand me?
Yeah.
You know, they on social media every day and you know, look for the positive thing or just the negative part you know they look on. Me I warn you. Time chilly, you want to go back in. You hungry?
Not really, I'm good still.
Okay, I just link you, can't link me.
Yeah.
Okay, well, me have to
Good for the
encourage you.
talking
We
and
need to encourage you because
Yeah.
me know so you're young, I know make friend influence, so they tell you how them are run white plate for all 20 here and the police never hold me yet, don't follow them.
Sure,
No
man.
follow them, you're wrong. Because me done one you already, you know, my brother.
Alright.
And you got to put yourself in a white plate problem and cost people life, you go down the drain and you one day night, you know, not even sent me now give
Never
you.
do that.
A red plate taxi if you run.
That me I go do.
And walk, if you go put people life in a danger, you alone are staying in that shit, not me.
Alright,
Me
take
come
care
going
of
back, me
yourself.
cold.
Yeah, man, blessings.
I don't know what it come like then time of year from December to then part of January. Yeah? Get chilly in Jamaica. What the hell is snow start fall out here?
I tell you,
A most miracle at it.
Alright, take care of yourself.
I me feel chilly I know me I come go in. Look more here.
Alright, go back for me end.
Alright, so go on down now. I better stay on the road and not get late.
Alright.
Struggles make it longer.
Finish take up the clothes and come go in here, man.
When the pressures get harder, I am my motivation. From all these haters I see, the things they say, the things they try to do to me.
How you gone so long?
Only make
Food already in them, I cook done and everything and me I wait for you. How you gone so long?
Just go down the road, go link my sister. You know?
Okay. So we go down the road go link him both.
And I just have one reasoning about things, you know? No, man, come on. I go in. I'm just my sister made that reason with his head.
Alright then, come on then.
Jaja with me. with me. Oh, Jaja with me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, Biggs, where you going with? Sure know, yo. That Johnny this year, man. Yeah, man. Brother, me I tell you, say, from where you want to give you one shout and thing, I see you down some me a reason. Yeah, you are going on, man. Boy, me I tell you, say, I really do want to call you, brother, but boy, me I tell you, say, right now, the favor where you owe me, daddy, it really need right now, because yeah, man, I know say you have 2 bus down there. I say, boy, I want to touch the road and run off a little hustling. You understand me? I say, yeah, man, I want to touch the road and so I can run taxi. Yeah, you have the green plate down there and the white plate bus, white bus. Yeah, man, so yo, I can go and run off the white bus. Brother, I need a favor right now, brother. Yeah, man, you can't come just link me and drop off the bus, man, because why me I tell you, brother, me I tell you, yo, you link me and me, you can drive, go feed, and I come bring it back, you see it? Brother, give thanks for your favor, you know, man, because you don't know, you know, brother. You know, want to go back in a little crime world again and thing. You understand, but it's just to make you have to reach to the last straw, brother. You don't know full history already, you see me? Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Me there, man. Give thanks, brother. Alright. Big up.
Green. Maybe I know him still. Johnny!
Hello?
Hi, Johnny
How
inside?
can I help you? No, he's not here.
I can talk to you a few minutes, please.
Okay.
I kind of think, I wonder if I the same person when I have in my head, if I you. Are you Johnny girlfriend?
Yeah, I'm your Johnny girlfriend.
Are you come from country? For a long time?
Me see you, man.
I can't remember your face now because I know say you did have one girlfriend for a long time up in one country way up so.
Me see you already, man. You see me already too.
Anyway, I mean that stay still. But you might tell me say the girl where I know say when there a long time man him still there talk back and one if I foolishness.
Yeah. John not there here now. If him a come to in a day here, he gone on the road gone deal with something for the boss.
May I just say the boss?
Yeah, he gone on the road gone deal with something for the boss.
Which boss?
The boss out there, so.
That the boss know Mr. Green license plate upon?
Yeah, him drive it come here. Him drive it come here and left it there.
My brother Johnny drive that the grey bus there with the green license plate come here so.
Him drive it come and put and park it up there and go on the road so he gone deal with something for it.
Okay, don't worry about it. Me see man talk to him.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, man.
Okay, I know not man. Me talk to him, my brother. Anyway, you see when him come, tell him say his sister did come over here. If you never know, over there so me live. I don't know if he
Okay.
did tell you, but over there so me live. So when he come, tell him say me say, before he leave and go anywhere, go do any other thing he need to come check me, or me I go come back and check him, or he need to call me. Else me I go call him.
Alright then, me
You
I'll tell him when
understand?
he come.
And you see same how me give it with the face here, you
I
need
see
to
him-
give me
I
with
see
the
him how me a
face
give
here.
it. See him a
Set
go
your
give.
face same way, tell him say your sister look serious.
Alright, anytime he
But
come,
you
I go
don't know
give.
why problem. But she looks serious. And what you and your sister have? You understand what I
Yeah,
say?
me understand.
We
Yeah, me go-
same
me
way.
go- me go
Because
tell
me
him.
serious. It look like he nah listen to me. You work?
No, me not work right now.
Where you say the name again?
Ashley.
Because a long time me not see you, me not even remember your name.
Yeah, long time I don't see you neither cause a good while now. The one Johnny never carry me come visit you. I mean not even know say over there say you live.
Here come me move. The place
Yeah.
where you know say me did live before me move. Me buy the house there over there.
You never know, me no
Alright,
you never
hold
tell
on,
me.
Hold on. And that me come to talk about.
Yeah.
Because me always help my brother. Me no know if he tell you.
You never tell me nothing about it.
Well, that's
Always.
something new to you. Listen now. I realize I'm stressed out. You understand? You're worse when you're not work. You're stressed right out. So, are you in care down back from country? I don't know if I'm come for you or you come down here, but from you, there in yard, can you tell me, you know? So you and him a deal still. Are you stressed out, my brother? From
Me
you come
not
here?
stress out your brother.
No,
Him come
listen.
for me a country.
Yes.
Cause me never call him. Me fright. Me see him come and me gate come park up.
Girl, whatever you say name, Ashley or whatever, listen to me now. Me not quarrel with you.
No, me just
I
a
take
talk.
time talk
Yeah,
to you.
me
'Cause
just
you
a
see me,
talk.
I love one people first before me do action. And you is my brother. Woman, I don't know if how long you know for that, I know my business, but please me beg you stop stressing out. You're not working, you're a young girl. You're a nice girl, look how you look good. You can get a job. Look on the face where you have. You can do any interview as long as you have the headpiece. I don't know your educational background. But girl, you need to go look a job. I mean, I already talked to him saying I have to look a job because he tell me saying losing job. But listen to me. What you have to understand young people. I love young people because I did young too. I don't have nothing against young people. But just when you're young and you work, you're more independent. Please, me I beg you, not stress out my brother. Anyway.
No, me not stress out your brother. Cause
I don't no time you know. You notice me have bag on the bag heavy. And
Alright.
next time me see you, me you talk, me have to leave
me
right
not stress him out. Me wouldn't do that, man. And him come for me down a country, you know.
But
Drive that they come down
Alright,
there.
later.
Yeah, man. Later, alright.
Mm.
Let's call my man Johnny and tell him about his sister. I like how she am moving. Johnny, you know so me have something to tell you. Today me there, you know, say sister come here and I ask for you. And me tell her, say you're not there, you're gone on the road, gone look about something for your boss. And she has said to me, say, anyway, and that she come to me. So me I say, where you come to me about now, for? And she has say, oh, him brother looks stressed out, like him brother never looks so him brother looks stressed out and Mark I don't and sitting and I hope I know me up here stress you out. Johnny, me a stress you out. Tell me if me a stress you out, you know. Because me only there here to take good care of you, clean up your house and cook good food give you. So me don't know how come the sister just come like that and not tell me say how me look like say me a stress out you. Eh? Me not like there something there, Johnny, me don't like it. Me upset, that's why me call you and I tell you. You don't even know how I feel right now. I just come in the room and lock up. But anyway, cut long story short. You so come? Alright then, babes. Love you. Alright. Have a nice day now, babes. Okay, thank you. So, wait there. Can I have one grey bus?
You know what I say? Yeah, but I look like grey, you know, but I really white.
Let me in a see good then.
Look, come on, I cut you road, I hustle to me and you.
Alright, later.
Public report.
Babes, remember your attitude, you know. Your anger. You hear?
My dreams quench my hunger, even though struggles make it longer. Never giving up when the pressures get harder. I am my motivation. From all these haters I see, the things they say, the things they try to do to me, they only make me stronger. Thank you, Jah, you always let me.
Yes, Jah, up on the road there now. One piece of food and thing is it.
You protect me from my
We can find on the Bible. Well, go on. No starting. Oh, what? Come on, no, I'm going to the vehicle, I know. Come back out the car.
Yo.
Yeah, there now. What go on? One.
Yo, my boss.
Gas up?
Yo, my boss. How do I go?
Yeah,
Man.
yeah,
Yeah,
man,
man. Me I got some, but me have this something else. You can't hold your trunk.
Yeah, man, but our end there, though.
You know, see, I just saw a fish head and something.
No, man, hold on, brother. None of that, brother.
You know, I step a car, man. You know, I step a car.
You can't carry that in a car, but
You know, I step a car, my father. See,
But
there,
the problem, this is gonna smell up the car and make the people, them car coming on the bus, brother.
What you know, man? You know, I step a car, brother. I just look a fish head.
Yeah, carry, please, I'm sorry, I forgot to take it out, brother. I'm sorry about that. Time I got to, please take it out.
Brother, a style thing, brother.
No, brother, what
I must
more
say, I me work for the staff bus at night time.
Yes, I know that, but the fish head and they're sitting there, and you know the young girl when they travel on my bus, they don't want to smell nothing, brother. Please. Oh my God, man, you waste my time. Take out the bucket for me, please.
Yo, God no, I say I
Take
did
out the bucket.
Then-
Boss man, passenger, take out the bucket.
Brother, this is not stop bus, brother. I just
No, but you know, no, man, I'll lick my... Brother, yo, me can't manage this. You gotta mash up my bus. We can't do to me thing. Brother, me can't carry a bad man. With the fish head and them something
everything good, man.
brother,
I want to
tell
leave
you,
post
me
that day.
vex, you know. Yo, brother, you waste all my time, bad man.
Yeah, man, transport up on the road. Me never did
Yeah,
tell
brother.
still, but everything good still. Me find our next driver.
Yeah, man, find something else, man. Come on.
Ashley! Hi, Mary! Come here, man. What now? Glad to see a girl. What?
Glad to see me.
What?
See your door not locked.
Acha, it's a door ya. No lock. What do you door? Listen. They say I go on now. Long time in the see me. Glad to see you.
Glad to see me. Girl, I'm not... You ask me about the car still in about. I don't think it's going to work. Why? I get a dream last night and the dream, that not look right. All you there in a dream, girl.
So what you hear about now?
When me hear about you're wicked. You're bad mind. You're wicked, girl. You're envy. You hope you will come never know, you know? Girl, Me, my spiritual. Anytime I go to bed, go dream nothing. If it not go so, it near for go so. And you want to borrow my car? Come like here, your man want to rub up things in my car and go make man crash off a road. That's the time for you. I tell my man ears. You can have your plans. Cause if I never do that, if I never show the I tell my man ears, you don't want to borrow my car for go rub up your man, for go make my man crash and dead. All una friend, una like to see people and them man a live good, you know. Every minute they rub up, my man a beat, my man a this, my man a that. I'm going to bed go dream. Set done. You want to borrow my car? My girl, yeah, your man go work hard and go buy on the car, yeah. You know what sweat and bruises I go through for my car.
You're alright, you know. You think I make your man beat in a thump in your jaw corner that day and bust up your face and make your face swell up, so. Think of me?
No,
you better you come out of me heart, you know, my girl. You think you're, hey.
Feel like everybody can beat. You up so beat your man and broke him and doing painting. Girl, me a warrior too. You think you can ramp up with me?
Well,
yeah,
come out of me yard.
Come out of me yard, my girl. My back broad ramp with me.
Come out of me yard, girl. Come out of me yard.
Alright,
you're idiot.
I just come in and want to go to prison.
Mom,
hey.
go so. Out of me yard. Where? Your man beat.
Man,
the friendship
done. You're up your worker, but you want care for borrow. Oh, I don't mind suck this in here.
You do
hey,
it.
girl.
I will come out if you come broke your life and do me man down.
I choose prison life now nice, yeah.
I will go girl, your foot clock, your man beat, your murder, your girl you can't talk to me because no man can't lick me. Any man lick me broken and broke foot.
Go away. You not get me carry I hate about you. You favor them long time big back TV there. Go away, girl. And take off a whole lot off your head. Boy, you want car? I might suck this in your mouth, girl.
Where beat the stick? Where? No man can beat me. But me a your worker. You are your worker, you know, so you look so dry out and tired and beat out. You know, say your man a beat out your body.
You are man, see. Bike broke down, you know, so I can't lift it. Can't get no transport, so I have to take taxi today. And normally a bike we take. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Pick up and drop off. We have to move fast. You understand me I say? Alright. Because based on what I go on, you know. The bike can go fix till next week. Car is that? Where's the boss?
Yeah, man, so one son I go here now.
We are going down the road, man. Down on the lane. But guess what? You alone that vehicle?
No, I want to go.
Yeah, man. We're going down the road, right down in the lane. So you go drop off on stuff and then we go back up the way.
Yeah, because I don't know youth. I'm kind of new up on the road as a taxi man, so I take time to know my customers them, because you don't know, you and him have
Virgin, man. So, a normal thing. Mama say you new up on the road, my general.
Yeah, man, I knew just around, you know, so I have to kind of know my customer them and thing. And
oh, yeah, I tell you.
Come in.
Alright, man.
Alright, forward in.
Jump in there back there, answer. So, yes, you new, bro.
Yeah, and I not even get on red plate yet in the dog.
Or about red plate, man. Red plate and white plate and green plate, the same plate.
Alright.
Plate for the car,
right? Good. Alright, yeah, man. That's how you think, man.
Yeah, man. So, you are just right now, sir. Me and Chunko go come out, and when Chunko and me come out, we just go down the road for about 4 minutes. Here we are going. Normally, the youth will normally carry, we don't take 1,000.
Yeah.
But what me I do? I give 3. So all I do is wait for 5 minutes. See? And
Yeah.
I go down in the lane and come back.
Brother, I like to turn off.
I don't matter turn off, it's a scheme.
3,000 in no bag of money. I charter me for you make me turn off in a bad man. That more you know.
Charter, man. 100 I route designer.
Yeah, but me I figure wait for you and them thing the bad man. Where you say I go bad man? Where?
Right down the road, man.
Alright, because right now we have to know where I did in them time. So much taxi man I get take away and them thing the bad man. I dep on that in the dog.
No, yes sir. Right away.
Oh. So where you send for the wait for you?
Wait for me.
Yeah, I'm going to hold some of my money, but
I'm
going to hold on for the money, but
just go up some more. Go up some more, man. You come in and really see the license plate and everything.
Yo, where you depend, daddy? Where you depend?
Businessman, you drop off something, man. Oh, damn, a business, you want money, you want money.
Give me next $1,000, but give me the rest of money, man. Give me the rest of money.
Yeah, man. You pay 2,000, and I hold about 1,000, 3,000. Brother, 5 minutes in and out to the brother.
Give me next $1,000 and go on.
Forward, you might get 4.
Go on, go there.
You understand?
Yo, open the door.
After money, you work?
Yeah, man, I just come on the run and hustle, but the timing thing, you don't know taxi work going on, brother.
No, that me I tell you 5
Do your
minutes.
thing fast. Do it. Brother, we all lock back the door for bad man, I don't know if you do already.
Come on, Chunko. Chunko, come on, Chunko.
Yeah, man, yo. One go do the thing and forward, man.
Alright, my general. So, yo, as a matter of fact, I'm a farm, I give you 4 more thousand.
Alright, do
See?
your thing, my daddy.
Alright, wait a second.
There, sir.
Chunko,
Nobody the
come on,
long
Chunko.
thing, you know.
Chunko, man.
Dog, no, where them, yo, I'm not too deaf, where them man are deaf, and that man show you, yo, why I'm not, that's why I'm like pick up all people, see what time you know, daddy. Got 2, you know. Yo, brother, how you man them there?
Come here, Chunko. Yeah, Chunko.
Yo, dog, I wanna,
Drive the vehicle that you can do. Drive it.
yo, dog, what kind of thing, yo, I wanna put my thing in a brother, yo, I don't want the police come and look for me in a bad man, where you do? Where you do them this?
Brother, you're
That
coward.
man, man,
You're
no
coward.
coward.
You're
But
so-
me I run my taxi in peace, bad man. Me no want you bring no trouble come to me.
I'm not even fear.
Where you run come from?
I'm not even fear buses. I'm my
No matter, it no matter, brother.
See?
Wait,
You think I know you?
my man couldn't face it.
Yeah, me know you too. Let me
That
tell
man
you.
the police
Yo.
don't link me.
So right now, so let me out.
Yeah, me have to
Because you're
glad to
coward.
let you know,
Don't
brother.
that shit. Get me your son, baby.
Brother,
Get me out.
you
Sure.
want to come out of my car
Come on,
quick
come on.
and fast,
What
bad
that,
man.
brother? Here you are going.
I
You're new
can't
on the
believe
road.
the man.
You're new
Yo,
on the road. Remain
I not
new.
even know you, brother. Come out of my car. I not
Oh,
even
yourself.
know
Yo,
you
you
from
know
the
you.
bad man. I not know you bad man. Them man, yo, what this? Yo, lock back your door, bad man. I don't even know.
Your brother, you don't know what's going on. Yo, see you.
And them I come and beat up man car, dog. Blessing you, man.
If you still have to wait over where you see me have here.
Right over which part you go? Where?
Oh,
Right
but
over
there's
this one?
some gunman. Come like something wrong with your Rasta, man.
Alright.
You know, for take up my taxi work paid. Come to the Rasta, man, man.
Alright. You know, alright, do your thing, man. Yeah, man, I saw a place.
I want me to. You know, for run the taxi work, man.
Cool, no,
You're
man.
not fit for this. You
Over
slam off the door, you
mama,
know.
you go over mother.
No worry about that. Mind for your business. Go on, man.
Alright.
And watch your girl when I stop give you a ball.
Alright. You go on, man.
Dirty Rasta. Taxi boy. Come and watch people business. I'm not watching woman where I bring much man over there on him bed. Grind it down.
How you do up here, sir?
Would I ask you a set question?
I not trust you, know. That lucky thing I want my friend me go look for. Where you a go? In a bush. I not trust you. I not trust you enough from other day. I don't trust you because I notice you love round other corner. Yeah. And now first I pass on the highway yeah, so I see you they go through bush.
I two away.
Two away. I not do what you do and I sure say where me come from another day I go. You
So
couldn't
you
never...
have friend round us, so something not right, something want add up.
Thank God me not stay like you. Look at she a watch me. She thinks she's smarter than me. Same place where me a go, there she a come from. But when man did say me fi do with it? When man say me fi do with the slippers again, Father God? Me should have write it down on piece of... Oh! Just remember now, can you say me can't make no mistake. Okay, me fi cut up the slippers, get some color glue and some crayon and some crescent nile and light it. Anything me want, you will come by 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. Alright. So me I got me the half walk. A lot of me there by to me gone. Hey! Why?
Step in. Yeah, link up my little hot sister, you know. Sis. Yo, Candy. Candy.
Johnny, oi.
Yeah.
Me know say you they call me, you know. You know, I something me they do round here back. Come my fence, sir.
Alright.
Come now.
Yeah, sis. John, yo.
Me did well want to talk to you, you know.
Yeah, man, I deal it.
Yo, man, no give a message so when you come to come check me. Or you just come off your
Just
own.
get the message, man, and I say, oh, I come give you one link. You see me? I call you, I'm not here, so look like you did around the back of the something. You did wake up.
Yes, man. You have to clean up the place and say nice and clean. Breeze a blow.
Oh,
And you know, you leave them all over the place. You have to keep the place nice and clean. Anyway, I come check it down here the other day and I see this girl down there. And she did tell me about, say, the same girl we used to do with that country. And she that?
sis. Yeah, man, I see him that one.
Oh, true, me not remember her face. She say she, but you know, some woman then we tell lies sometimes, you know, because maybe she feels scared, say me I go say something. But me not busy with your woman them, as long as you use condom.
Sure.
Anyway, hold on there. Wait, me come in your yard and come see one grey bus with green license plate there so.
Yeah.
And me figure out say, you go take bus from somebody or you buy it and they tell me like say you no money. Me no know, but then green license plate there, a business, you do business or somebody give you one work for do.
Bus we are talk about was not the bus, you know.
I lie.
No, I want a white plate bus.
Oh.
A white bus. You see me? Yeah, man, I eat me I go and use because the red plate. Well, I mean, I try to process it. As they warn me and tell me already, but through what me have, I have to try hustle. You see me? Can't left nothing now. I have to just take it and I go and do my thing.
I lie.
Yeah, man, can be. I eat, man.
So, hold on there, Johnny.
Yeah.
You remember the last time me and you talk when you come check me in my yard?
Yeah, man.
Up at the gate. Me and you talk and me tell you say be careful of white plate taxis.
True.
Me know you're desperate and in need of money to make you survive. Me know sometime when me give you money, you might feel like say, you know, you feel away. You know them kind of way there?
Yeah, sometimes.
And they
I
say
feel
you're a
that.
big man, you want to own your whole of money. Me understand, which that is good because young man feel work. Yes. And achieve what they want in a real life. Me understand about that part there. But remember, say me warn you about the white plate and remember people's life and it worse if that the vehicle they not insure.
Right now,
Or you no license.
And-
Boy go
and to
with
tell
you
you-
and the police them on the road.
right now, to tell you the truth, somebody snowed you and say them have a link down at the tax office so they can get the red plate. But I want a nice piece of food I have come up with. So that's why I'm going to hustle with this right now. You see me? But I'm going to do a red plate because that's the right thing you tell me.
Well, on there. So it make you come check me because you want me to give you money. To go give people. Because you love going at link things. You believe in too much link. And not every link straight. You understand me? Some link with a pan chain, it bust and slack and easily fi come off. You have to know what you do before you do it. In these time, you will put yourself in a problem. A trouble me no want you going on, my brother.
Yeah.
You can't just grow on through your one job and as somebody tell you say, me know a link or me have a link and they want XYZ amount of money, you go kill yourself to get it if you can't give them. That means you go thief people things and just give them to get what you want.
You know, so me not a thief, me not dey on the right side.
Me know you're not thief, but me have to tell you the right thing. I'm your bigger sister, you need to listen to me carefully. Whatever I can do for you, as me tell you 1 million times, I'll tell you a trillion times again.
Yeah.
I will do it. So please, don't put yourself in no problem. Me can't take a problem. You see, we mother gone and don't come back. You see, we mother gone and don't come back and no dead she dead. And not even the line they give away. I saw some mother stay go foreign. I don't remember them picking like them throw a stone behind them. But let me tell you something. The white plate sitting the way they talk about and then you go come in with link again. They confuse my brain. It's like me can't focus on it. I don't believe you should have take that bus there. Because if you make anything do that bus, you don't have dime. You don't have penny, not even cent. If you go pay your feet and me one, go in a problem. And you see, if you don't find it, people serious with their vehicle nowadays, you know, they not even want to lend you out much less to give you go run taxi. Worst of all, me not sure say your license update. Because the last time me look funny, me think it expire.
Yeah, you know, say, me have the receipt, me have a license, I get it renewing, but me have the receipt with it, and then wrap it up in the paper. Me have that, can drive it in the meantime until me pick up the other one, but it expires. But the receipt.
Why
and the
expire?
paper, the license.
Johnny, I wonder if you realize what you just said to me? Your license expire. And you want to tell me say government still give you one receipt for ground with and drive. And you don't renew your license go on in your yard. You know, say me don't like when you tell me like already, you know. Me don't know how you want supposed to. I know money for renew your license and you go a tax office or depot. And God Almighty, and your father won the depot and the what you call it? Tax office, you make me stutter. You make me turn idiot because I know, Master God, me confused.
Sis, please. All I want you to do is just calm down. Me need the help for sort out my license. Get on the road, you know, despite when me tell you say it's just a feeling just come over me say, boy, are you alone in my corner? Who else me go run to? I need for the on the road for go and hustle and don't know a taxi thing. You have every mickle me come up with. If me white plate me use and get one 2,000, me can put it down and then, you know, you help me and yeah, I just want help.
You know, say, when you come at the fence line, so. I know say I come pack up my head a lie. Because I'm older than you and you're young, you feel say old people stupid. I'm not stupid, I'm sensible more than you. You're just born. I don't want to shame you out there today. You is my only brother. Let me tell you something. I'm going to talk to you calm. I'm in a cussing mode today. I will help you to look about your license. I not help you with no link nothing. Give you no money if you go give people then run off with it. Then you come back a ball again to me for money if you do something else. I cannot do that. Me not rich. Right. Me not rich. You know what you need to do? Eh? If you not work out, the breeze are blow and the dust. Wait, hold on there. Listen to me. If it's not working out for you to get the money to do that, because if me even did give you a little bit, it still go on more. Link take enough money, you don't tell me already. One barrage of money. And me not have so much money. Remember, say me have bills to pay, you know? Yeah. Me have water rate, light bill, all kind of things. Plus, when me not there and me gonna work, the girl will come clean up the place. Me have to pay her. Plus, me they help you. And you are a big man like you. You as a big man now. You shouldn't even they come to me so much time, although you know some help you and you need to find a proper job. You now work out with the boss. Go up on site, go chew up bucket, pan leather give man, or you go up on the leather and make them chew up you and you full out the black hole them.
I look at talent and I'm an artist too, so I can studio go cut couple dub.
Alright, here I know. Nobody go there so right now. Listen to me and say now. You know the reason why I talk to you about the grey bus with the green license plate? Your woman where you have over your yard. Tell me say she take her 2 years we got gear and see you drive the green bus come put this up and then you left and gone out the road so you're gonna look for something pertaining to the bus to fix up bus. Or you figure take up all bus. No, you come with one different story that come tell me about bus with white plate and sitting. Right now I'm confused because right now I don't know if I show you the talk. Say a bus with white plate or bus with green plate or whatever because your woman where you have. Then I saw she like tell me say she see you drive the grey bus with the green license plate when the other day when I come over there to come check you.
Say, sis, I even today.
Don't take out no liar, man.
Bus. And one man want to come in on the bus with fish. Guts and all. Yeah, me and him catch up. That's why
which one of the bus? Because me see one bus you get your woman say you drive it, then now you tell me about one white bus. Which one of the bus you went in? Oh, the white plate one?
Yeah.
I could have wished man that's so bright.
And me and him catch up. And I have to tell him, say, you have to take out all the things, man, and I use all the signature.
Broke your who?
I own a bus when I drive back, shut this.
Anyway, you see the conversation, yeah? I don't want to go no further now. Night I come down, the place I get dark, it breezy, windy, man. So, maybe we finish this one next day.
So I say,
I am going to...
Give me a strength.
Listen, I tell you already. Listen, my brother. You keep up my time. I talk too long like I'm on radio. Listen, I am going to give you money to renew your license. I not give you no money if you go give no man about no link.
Alright.
Okay, I'm done. Final. Okay, I don't tell you when I give you money for already, you know.
Alright.
Okay.
Me link you, man.
Alright.
Yo, Biggs. You don't want to know, say, You see same youth where you bus with the you give me bus for go and run taxi. The man run off with the goods that make people shoot off of me, you know. Yeah man, same youth there. Right now I don't know where back there. Cause him have a bag, him drop me on that place cause him run taxi on the road, see? And what him do is that, me say, yo, drop me on that place. By the time I step out of the vehicle, man drive off with the bag. Make man and shoot off and run off. Yeah, run at the transport place. Yeah man. Check him page, him do what he do, but me not have the bag. You understand? Alright, bless up yourself. So how me I get paid? Alright, Biggs. Yeah man, thank you if you watch the video thus far. I hope you like, you know. And if you don't like, subscribe and thing. Hey, food journey right now is a blessing, I can say. I not say nothing more than a blessing. And thank you for everybody who send a like, a share, whether it be $3, $4, $5, whatever the case may be. We don't know yourself, and thank you thus far. And you know, this motivates us to do much more, and we got to do more for. You know what I mean? For all those persons who give us the good comments, make us feel like we're going to do something, because we are growing up. You know what I mean? Thank you thus far. And as you know, the team, we see the name already, and it's going to only get better. And we have some new people go check in very soon. So guess what now? More content, you know what I mean? And it's going to get better. All right? So thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Link me if you can. Link me if you want to link me. If you don't know, the contacts is going to be right here. All right? So bless up, and thanks again.
Think is how you always with me when I'm fired from my tribe. When the doctor says something's wrong, you always with me. You protect me from my enemy. With me, Jaja not gonna make me suffer. No, Jaja with me, with me. Oh, Jaja with me, yeah, yeah.